Will you marry me? Let's get married. She said yes.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Lauren and welcome to the DIY challenge. Today I have a super special opponent.
Yeah, that's right. Hi, I'm Josh Peck. I'm marginally good at crafts. I'm not the most artistic fellow, but I'm hilarious and I've got a lot of confidence, courage, and my mom loves me. So this is gonna go pretty well.
Wow, that was a great biography. Usually everyone's like, hi, I'm Alex. Yeah.
What, do they not know how to be on YouTube?
I know. Do they even know how to YouTube? So this is episode 11 of the DIY challenge. Wow. And I figured since you're like super married.
I am.
And I'm super not married, you could show me how to make an engagement ring.
Okay. This is like the ring that the husband gets the wife when they messed up. This is like Kobe being like, baby, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, but I got you this.
This would be like just that subtle shade of like, what?
Just something small and subtle.
Yeah, whatever. Don't worry about it.
Also, this doesn't fit on your finger at all.
No, dude. I've got like pork pie, like sausage fingers. Like, this is incredible.
Whoa, look at.
Yeah, man hands. You know what I'm saying?
Okay, so how this works is I've got just like a slew of DIY supplies. I've kind of given Josh like a little behind the scenes walkthrough of what we have. And it's just like basically you just do it. You just like 1, 2, 3, go.
This is truly a slew of things. I mean, when you got those glitter pipe cleaners, you're not messing around.
They're so cute.
This is 7 million plus subscriber pipe cleaner.
Almost 8.
Almost 8.
Wait, 8 probably by the time this goes live.
Word? Maybe this is the one that pushes you over. Congratulations.
Oh my god, thanks.
I'm a little intimidated sitting next to you, I'm just gonna say.
Really? I'm a little intimidated sitting next to you.
Why? Tell me more.
Because like, have you ever met a millennial or like 90s baby that didn't watch Drake and Josh?
Okay, here's the thing. I've met a lot of millennials that love Drake and Josh, but then there'll always be that one outlier who's like, I wasn't into that, I was into Yu-Gi-Oh! But I don't believe them. Like, I would rather them be like, yeah, I know you and you suck.
I'd be like, who are you?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Like,
I mean, I watched a little Yu-Gi-Oh! But I also watched a little Drake and Josh,
Word.
a little iCarly.
You were well-rounded.
Yeah, I was around a little Weekenders. Did you have the Weekenders?
No, is that a Canadian thing?
Maybe.
What is that, the Weekenders?
It was good, they had really big, it was like kind of Hey Arnold-esque.
I loved Hey Arnold.
Okay, I feel like you're avoiding the what's coming.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not.
Okay, so this is just for spray paint, so I just don't want to send you home with a pink or gold glittery hand.
But I feel like I'm not gonna be nimble in this. Like, you know, like I really need.
No, are you left-handed or right-handed?
I'm right-handed.
No, it's so when if you spray paint, you don't cover your own hand.
But I spray paint with my left hand.
Really?
Maybe.
We're about to find out.
Hold on, let me see how this feels. Oh yeah. Are we starting?
Yeah.
This is the beginning?
We're super starting. The biggest pressure point is like making the first mark. That's the scariest part.
I'm taking it all in, I'm drinking it in, I'm formulating, putting something together in my head, putting it out on my mental little art setup I have.
I don't know what I'm doing. I feel like you just had a whole process happen there.
Wow, starting with the spray paint. God, you're brave.
Go!
Okay!
Go!
Okay, stop yelling.
This is serious. We don't mess around on the DIY challenge.
Okay, my gosh. Do some measuring here.
Does that fit exactly around?
It's perfect.
Oh, that's so satisfying.
Don't steal this one from me. This is mine.
See, isn't it scary doing the first thing? That's like the scariest part.
And I also don't know exactly how I'm going to adhere this. Please leave your comments in the description below. It'll be too late, but
you stick it in.
Well, I'm great at that. Okay.
This is a PG craft channel over here. Take this off.
In the interest of, you know, being a good competitor. Wait, what? Is there like a trick to it?
Oh my god, danger, 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 danger. I don't have insurance for you on this video.
Oh my god. What's insurance? I work for David Dobrik. I don't know what that means. Alright, that's it. You're getting cut. You getting cut, my G. Okay.
We'll just go with gold.
Nice.
Nobody wants you, silver.
You embarrassed us.
When was the last time you
This is not fair.
Here.
Okay, that's sabotage. Yeah, this is beauty.
Hang on, reload.
Wow, look how swiftly she did that. This is why she's LaurDIY. Okay.
Did you just call me Laura?
No, LaurDIY.
Oh, I thought you said Laura. Can we get a playback on that?
LaurDIY. LaurDIY. I've actually not done anything to this yet, but we're getting close. We're getting close.
Oh my god, okay. You really have like barely committed.
Okay, we're getting close. Feeling really proud of this. Now, does this have to be full 360? Because I'm missing a little coverage back here.
Like, it's okay. I mean, that could be the back.
Okay, great. Because I'm feeling like a Saturn vibe. I'm feeling
right.
Like,
we're going Galaxy. Honestly, this looks great so far. I'm not gonna lie. I'm 100% winning.
Okay, I'm jealous. I figured it out. I've now broken through. I don't want you to feel nervous, but I also don't want you to feel content.
I'm so conflicted. Wow!
Right, but like you've only spray painted it. It looks incredible.
We should FaceTime Paige after and see if she would accept your gift.
Yes. I'm 100% into that. Hopefully she accepts my FaceTime. What?
Hopefully, yeah, that's the, I mean, that's part one. Wait, how did you actually propose?
So it sounds cooler than I am, but we were going to Paris. I was going to Paris for work.
Wow, every man that's planning to propose, just like sit down right now.
Yeah, sit down, cause you ain't Josh Peck.
Even Moose was upset by that. He was like, you just ruined all my plans.
Oh, who would Moose marry?
His girlfriend's name is Bam.
Tell me more.
It's very serious.
Really?
Yeah, they went swimming yesterday.
Wow. Anyway, I was on my way to Paris for work, and I'd had the ring for a couple months, but I could, oh, crud.
Did you just say crud?
Crud.
I remember crud in so long.
I'm loving this.
Wait, that actually looks pretty good. It's like if Sailor Moon came out of a Pokeball.
What?
That's what it would be, right?
Did you just reference Sailor Moon?
Yeah.
I love you for that.
I love Sailor Moon.
So do I. Did you ever dress up like Sailor Moon?
Heck
for, like,
yeah, I
Halloween?
did. Wait. Insert photo here.
What? Let's get serious. Let's stop messing around. This is not a friendly competition.
This is not, no, like people think that like I like go easy on people. I super don't.
No, I'm already feeling a really competitive vibe to you.
Yeah.
And it's intimidating and
It's
also
serious.
Scary.
I'm a really scary 113 pounds, you know? 112 on a good day.
That's weird. I'm 125.
Oh, I knew it.
I know. What can I say?
Love a lightweight Josh Peck.
We stand a lightweight Josh Peck.
If I want to like put my name on it, that's weird, right? To have an engagement ring with your name on it? Like no one would want to steal it because like who else's name is LaurDIY?
True. All right. I like your line of thinking there.
Yeah, right?
Excuse me. I'm just gonna do some light flourishing.
Oh my god, put a glove on.
Why?
Protection.
Okay.
Protection.
Yikes.
No, literally this stuff, like everything you touch for the next week
Really?
will stick to your hand. I probably should have
Alright,
bought you some
that's
bigger
right.
gloves, right?
No, it's all right. Hold on, let me just make them small.
I'm going for it. We're gonna bejewel it with LaurDIY.
Wow.
Yeah. Moose, you're ruining our audio.
It's okay, Moots. You're just a dog.
Oh my god, wait, move your phone.
Move my phone.
Braid, he is like, it's serious. It's not that serious.
Here we go. Yes, queen. Yes. Okay, too much glue. I'm so glad I wore the glove.
I told you, it's real sticky.
I forget that you're the queen.
You know, I have a rap song called DIY Queen.
Really?
Yeah.
Are you rapping on it?
Yeah, I'm rapping on it.
Wow, that's incredible.
Part-time DIY queen, part-time rapper extraordinaire.
I'm impressed. You have so much to offer.
I would say I'm pretty well-rounded.
You really are. This is just like some spice right
Oh
here.
my god, it looks so good.
This is some spice right here. This is just adding some paprika, you know what I'm saying? This is adding that cheese on a pizza slice. Right? Has anyone ever come in here and just been awful?
I really love your use of the word crud. It like makes me think of like grade 5.
I really love how you Canadianize your...
I knew, as soon as it came out of my mouth, I was like, here it comes. Every single American
I don't know what you're talking about.
feels... I'm out.
What? Oh, chill out. Okay, hold on. This doesn't feel fair at all, but okay.
Okay, so you super don't need that much.
What?
You want a brush maybe to help spread that?
Yes, I do. Thank you for helping your opponent. If we were like in a race, you've lapped me 3 times
and
already.
I'm like, you're hobbling and I've got you on my shoulder. Wait, that actually looks good now. I feel like you're gonna make a swift recovery from this.
Thank you. I'm proud of myself.
Wait, so what does Paige's actual ring look like?
It's a 3-carat cushion cut.
Only a married man like knows the lingo, I feel like.
Heck yeah, dude. I had to learn all of that as I was like ring shopping. You know, I was lucky because when you get to be a man in your 30s.
Are you 30?
I'm 31. So I got engaged when I was 29, and at that time a lot of my friends were getting engaged, and so everybody had like a ring guy and a diamond guy. When I told my brother that I was gonna ask Paige to marry me, he gave me really great advice. He's like, Josh, let your mom help you. So I called my mom. I was like, Mom, I'm gonna ask Paige to marry me. This is like the rough, you know, sort of direction with the ring. And she was like, call you in 2 hours.
Is that a
like,
New York accent?
Yeah.
Call you in 2 hours.
Call you in 2 hours. In 2 hours, she had a rendering, or I had an email rendering of the ring from her jeweler.
You know she was probably waiting her whole entire life for this call, right?
It was really sweet. So I feel like the adhesive has warped.
Yeah, I feel like you might be right.
Oh my God. It looks like my ring got like head trauma. Okay, I call that sabotage, but no worries, that's fine.
I mean, I really didn't know that it was gonna happen.
We're gonna push on, even though I'm not loving the direction this is going. Oh my God, that's so official.
It looks pretty cute, I'm not gonna lie. But I feel like it's too nice. Like, I wanna do more. Do I just slap a poop emoji on here? Like, is that the answer?
When in doubt, kids, slap a poop emoji.
Slap a poop emoji on here. Or like, maybe it needs a ring sticker just so everyone knows it's an engagement ring to be really obnoxious about it.
Okay.
You know, when I was buying all this stuff, she was like, oh, are you getting married? Is this an engagement party? And I was like,
let's talk about you getting married. Do you want to get married?
Yeah, I want to get married.
Are you not? Are you like ready right now?
No, I'm not ready right now. But I have had a Pinterest board since I was about 18.
Tell me everything.
I want a Berta dress. If I don't get married in a Berta dress, I might die. Oh yeah, now it's very apparent that it's an engagement ring. Very straight to the point.
Yes. You don't know what I've been through in my life, and I feel you.
And why I need to stab these crystals into my deformed ball.
Listen, you already sabotaged me. Yes.
Yeah, it's pretty nice.
It's exactly what I wanted. I'm about to make like some lattice things. Like, I'm gonna make this a bit like a pie crust type thing, like a checkerboard.
I feel like this could either be a make or break situation for your ring.
Let's get back into your, oh crap.
So Alex's dream proposal is a flash mob. What do you think about that?
Not my dream proposal, but God bless him.
Okay, that's all I needed to hear. So that is my literal worst nightmare.
Your dream proposal isn't like, will you marry me? It's like, so, let's get married. She said yes. Like, what?
Oh my God, see, like, I'm sweating just like having that be fake and happening around me.
Yeah, that would terrify me. I think my wife would die.
Yeah, I would die. I would literally die. Like, there's nothing I want less in the world than a flash mob proposal. Matt, I see you back there because I know that you would be a part of it if it were to actually happen. I'm like not kidding when I tell Alex that I would literally say no.
It's so cute though.
Yeah, but like if you super know I'm gonna hate it and you still do it, is that cute though?
I guess.
Wait, I feel like you didn't even tell me the rest of the story of your proposal. So Paris, work trip.
So I'm going on this work trip and I was taking Paige and I had the ring. And I assumed at this point we'd been together for like 4 years that people were like in her ear kind of saying like, you know, Paris is pretty romantic. Like,
right, that it might be coming.
And she tells me that wasn't the case, but I sort of projected that. And so I'm like, I'm an idiot. There's no way I'm gonna get this ring through and like if I waited till like the middle of the trip or the end, like every day she'd be like, this son of a
right, from Paris, it hasn't proposed.
Yeah, he can't commit. So, the morning of our trip, we woke up and I like had the ring hidden to the side of the bed and we just woke up and I asked her.
That's so cute.
So that we could have like a nice trip.
And Paige is about to get her second engagement ring.
God bless. She's living her full life.
She is living her best life with this thing.
Oh!
Oh my God, did you just have a mishap?
Never, no. Don't worry about it. Okay, good. We're fine. Everything is great. I really want to copy you, but I'm not. Don't worry. I don't want you to feel intimidated because I know this is your channel. I know it'd be weird for me to like just show up and completely outdo
totally
you.
Just win, yeah. Okay, so we have Mrs. Josh Peck, right?
Did you hear that?
That's Mrs. Josh Peck.
Yes.
Wow, what a 2-for-1 deal on this video.
This is adorable.
So this is Josh's wife, Paige. Let's see if she will accept Josh's 2.0 engagement ring.
We brought in an outside judge, and don't worry about her being biased at all because she finds me totally annoying. So
perfect.
Trust me.
So it's in my favor.
Yes, it's in your favor.
Yeah.
She's gonna be a good judge. Okay, Paigey, get ready to have your socks knocked off. Bam. What? Okay, let me walk you through it. Let me walk you through it. Okay, so
I'm not sure what I'm looking at.
it's sort of an orb. It's planetary inspired. I'm talking Saturn. I'm saying Uranus.
You could have chose any other planet.
I could have chose any other planet.
Okay, so it's kind of like, will you or won't you? You know what I mean?
Smiley faces are definitely a Josh Peck signature, so I
Thank
appreciate
you.
that.
It's sort of like sci-fi inspired.
Okay. What am I supposed to rate it?
No, do you wanna?
I feel like we've heard enough.
Give me another one, how about that?
Okay, here you go. Don't have like huge expectations. It's only okay, but.
Oh, well, see, that's beautiful, and hands down, LaurDIY wins.
Oh.
I can already tell you, I don't even need an
What? You're breaking up. I can't hear you.
Paige and I are now married. I'm so sorry about your loss, Josh. Okay, thanks, Paige.
You're welcome.
Bye, Paigey. Thank you.
Bye.
Wow.
Wow.
I think it's time for me to start a DIY channel.
I honestly, if you weren't gonna go home and do that, I would be really concerned with your life decisions.
Yeah, I feel good about myself, and I feel good about what just happened here.
So I'm not gonna lie, like Paige told me that I won, so I feel like in life and in this challenge, I have probably won.
You did.
But if you guys wanna let us know in the comments, only nice things about Josh's masterpiece, the orb. Honestly, maybe it's an alien engagement ring.
Yes, that's it.
But thanks for doing the DIY challenge.
Oh my gosh, thank you. This has been an honor. I'm going to keep this and I'm going to auction it off for charity. Unfortunately, it looks like the charity won't get any money. but
it's the thought that counts.
yeah, exactly.
Josh and I are also about to eat our weight in a mukbang, and I've never done a mukbang before. This is my mukbang virginity being taken, and I'm so excited. I'm also starving, so this is really convenient because I feel like we just crafted for like a decent amount of time.
Yeah, it's exhausting.
So that video will be linked in the down bar below if you want to go see us mukbang.
A down bar, that's what you call it?
Yeah, I don't know why. I think it's an OG thing in the down bar.
Respect.
Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you haven't seen last Wednesday's weekly vlog, that'll be linked also in the down bar below. And I will see you guys on Wednesday for another weekly vlog, and on Sunday for another Sunday. Wow. Okay, bye guys.
Bye guys.
I'm the DIY queen, that's the royal elite. My pretty little kingdom out here running the